Hello everybody. Your child is going to enter a new market, a market which we have not really faced. Now this market would be full of challenges, most of them digitally structured. If you look back and recollect your childhood, you would not have had to upload a photo, transfer a document, email a resume, join two files together, or digitally sign a document. Now all these things are very new, a must for your children. Payments, getting your certificates, feedbacks. It is imperative that your child knows all. This add-on course in digital soft skills is a combination of practical experience plus digital skills that your child needs. These skills would enable your child to be ready for the future. Module 1, the LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing. The child needs to listen to various conversation, speak to an audience. It might be in a business conference. It might be to get his or her message across. Read a lot, and most of the readings would be done digitally. The child needs to navigate from one page to another, from one website to another, one app to another. Writing. Writing is something that in our childhood we did on paper with a pencil or a pen. But that is also changing. Most writings, especially for your PG and also for a degree, are now in the form of word processors. You need to use the word processor. Module 1 will give him or her a grounding in the LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Your child will be completing BA Functional English or BA English. You wouldn't want your child to speak bad English. You would want your child to speak good English with proper intonation. This is exactly what we intend to teach your child. The skills that we are giving in module 1, most of them your child knows. But this is a step for the child to practice more. If your child practices well, your child is going to be very equipped for the LSRW skills. Module 2 consists of digital skills, word processing, spreadsheets, presentation skills are very important for your child in the future. Apps. There are so many apps in the market which everyone knows about, but there are specific apps for specific things. These specific apps need to be known by your child. For example, how to create a content or how to make a poster. Your child will be asked to make a project or create a small caption for a particular item. Your child should be ready for that. Module 3, your child's creativity has to be expressed. It could be in the form of making content, small captions. It might be in the form of essays, poems, reports. Whether your child is going to be a journalist, content writer, technical writing, for all these things, your child needs certain set of skills. These skills would be introduced in this module. In module 4, the most important things like when your child goes for an interview or when your child needs to face a group discussion, what would be the skills required? Your child also faces the examination. How prepared is your child? Or what are certain tips and tricks that could be introduced wherein your child would score better? Any job requires a CV or a resume. How do you prepare a cover letter? Developing your vocabulary, nuances in writing need to be practiced. So, this course will definitely kickstart your child into activity-based learning. The modules are structured in such a way that there will be videos, webinars from top resource personnel. There will be quizzes, activity-based questions, so that your child will be able to bring out something by himself or herself. This would be the beginning of a new way of learning into the journey of life. This course has been carefully created, thoughtfully done. Of course, we would definitely seek your feedback, and at any point of time, I am available for your comments. Please encourage your child to do well in the course. Thank you.